Hey buddies, Jaromsz here.
So for today's video, we're going to do a tutorial on how to pay your SSS using Gcash. First thing that you're going to do is open your Gcash account and enter your MPIN. Once logged in, just look for show more buttons and click it. Next is go to the bills payment and look for government icon. So you will be redirected on this page. So what you're going to do is look and click the SSS PRN. Next is you need to input all the details, the account type, payment reference number or PRN, the amount, payer type, and also the email address. First, you need to click the account type, but you will be only given one option, which is the PRN. After that, for the payment reference number or PRN, you just need to get it on your SSS account. You need to log in at the SSS website for you to get the PRN. Here is the example. You can just copy and save to clipboard the number. After that, you paste it here. Next is you enter the amount for payment. After that, you need to select the payer type. You will be given 4 options: the self-employed, voluntary, OFW, and non-working spouse. So we selected voluntary type. Lastly is you need to input your email address, but this is only optional. Double check all the details before clicking the next button. Recheck all the details and also please take note that there are several billers to charge us a service fee. If everything is correct, just click the confirm button. So that's it, you are already paid with your SSS contribution. You can just check your SSS account if it's already credited.